Pinata Surprise Balls. They are so in trend nowadays. Well, what if you want to make the pinata balls for more than 2 or 3 children? I found that making small pinata balls is way more easier and way more affordable than making the big ones. So in today's episode, we are going to make the small pinata balls. And not only that, watch the video till end because I will be sharing you a lot of party ideas which you have never seen before. Promise me guys, you have never seen it before. If you are new, welcome. I am Dipti and I post recipes on my channel every week. And you will find more unique and more different recipes on my channel. So do check it out my channel. And if you like what I do, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. So you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Insta. I like your comment guys. So don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Here I am taking a silicone mold. As you can see, the ball size is not too big or not too small. You can use any shape or size. It's totally personal choice. But make sure that we will put some surprise inside, so they should be big enough. Now it's totally optional to use glitter this way. But I am showing here the techniques. This is edible glitter. It comes in powder form. I used few drops of melted butter to make it liquidy. You can totally skip this step. Now see carefully how I am doing it. This is a normal painting brush. I have properly washed it and dried it. Now pick up some golden paint on the brush and lay it over the mold and tap it. Keep moving the brush so that the golden spray distributes evenly. Pick up more color as needed. Lay a sheet underneath to prevent the mess. When you are done, put the mold into the fridge so that the butter will get solid, and when we pour chocolate over it, the golden color doesn't budge. The glitter is set now, and now I am pouring in the melted chocolate. This is 1 part of D45 chocolate and 2 parts of sweet chocolate. I have melted them together. Just adding 2 tablespoons of chocolate, and I am covering the sides up to the top with the back of the spoon. We need a thick layer. Make sure that you coat the sides up to the top. Here a tip. When we melt the chocolate, it is so liquidy and it will not coat the sides properly thick because it will drip down at bottom. So after melting, let the chocolate cool down a little bit. It will be thickened a bit and then it will be easier to coat really thick and well, and you will not get the hard time. Now I am done with all the cavities, and now I will put it into the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes so that it will get hard. The chocolate mold has been chilling into the fridge since 20 minutes and now it is time to unmold. Here I have some ice in a plate. I will put the chocolate hemisphere on the ice. I will tell you why I am doing so in a while. First we need to loosen the sides. For that, stretch the mold like so. This way the chocolate hemisphere will detach from the mold and then push up from the center like so, and you see how easily it comes out. And because of the silicone mold, it has a beautiful shine and our golden spray color looks so amazing. Now I am keeping it on ice tray and unmolding the rest. Well, as summer has started and here where I am working it's too hot. So due to the hot weather, the chocolate might start getting soft. So in order to keep the chocolate balls hard, I am keeping it on ice. So if you are also working with chocolate in hot atmosphere, you can also try this trick. Here I have some chocolates. You can use anything to put in the surprise balls. Any small toy or something like this. You can put unique things for boys and girls in different balls and decorate them with different color sprinkles so that you can identify them separately. Blue sprinkles for the boy surprise balls and pink sprinkles for the girls surprise balls, and they can break the balls as per their color. It's so exciting for them also. In order to make the even edges, take a warm pan. Be careful, we want warm pan, not hot pan. Put the hemisphere on the pen like so, and the edges will become even. Now fill in the surprises of your choice. Take another hemisphere, make the edges even on warm pan and then seal it. Run your fingers on the joint to smooth it out. And here you are, the surprise ball is ready. Repeat the same procedure and make all the balls ready. Then we will decorate it. Don't forget to keep girls and boys balls separate. Now let's arrange them. You can be creative here. Do as you want. It's totally personal business how you want to present the surprise balls. I'm just keeping it simple. Just flowers and chocolates. Nothing else. You can do much more as per your ideas. Now after arranging the balls, I'm just drizzling melted chocolate over it. The golden color on the ball itself looks gorgeous, so I'm not over decorating it. Just white chocolates, some white sprinkles on the top, and that's it. And of course, hammer.